The Frontier Tech program has been very successful at getting the right machines into the economies that most need it. Hi, I'm Steve Tomoana and I'm the General Manager of Tropic Group Builders, or TGB. Solomon Islands is one of the poorest countries in the Pacific. It struggles with its economy, its infrastructure, and there are challenges with the capacity of the companies that operate here in the Solomons in terms of their skills and their ability to do the more complex projects.
Technological innovation drives productivity and growth in firms. It drives growth in the economy, it creates jobs, it increases incomes. My name's Tom Coward and I'm the British High Commissioner to Solomon Islands and Nauru. We really wanted to come in and do tech transfer to firms. But for firms, technological innovation, whilst brilliant, can also be really risky. It can endanger their finances if it doesn't work. They might not have all the information they need. They might not know what technological options are open. They might not have access to the technology, and they might not have access to the staff or the expertise to run the technology. We were sure that 3D printing was going to be the area we focused on, but then we brought in our experts. And our experts looked at the global technological solutions, they looked at the firms in the country, and they looked at the market. And their assessment actually was that CNC cutting was the place to go.
A CNC machine is a computer numerical control. What you do is design stuff such as doors, windows, cabinets, kitchen fit-outs, and the computer sends it to the machine saying how it's going to cut.
It lets you cut pieces with precision so that you can use them in clinics or in humanitarian response or in higher end goods.
Before we had this machine, it would take 1 week, 2 weeks, a great length of period. Now that we have it, we get to do stuff like within 2 to 3 days, and then it's done. What excites me are the designs, especially, and the cuts that the machine can do. Yeah, it's very exciting. So this is the program that we do all the designs on. From this software, we provide the file that the machine needs so that it can cut stuff. It has tool bits that it uses to cut the wood. This is a straight bit that has been installed. So yeah, this thing does magic. Being a woman in this role is very challenging. I'd say it's more of a male-dominated field, but when they offered the project, I was also working as TGB's project coordinator and designer. And at that time, they only required people that have basic skills with AutoCAD. So I was given the opportunity and then I took it.
Jobs related to the CNC machine, I think, are very important for the next generation in terms of innovation, mainly because it really enables the local laborers to engage in such a high-tech machine. In order for a developing country like Solomon Islands to come out of poverty, we need to innovate. And the CNC machine will enable us to create those products that are good for the current economy and also for the future economy.
It's a really, really valuable technology because using local products is really important for the local economy in Solomon Islands. Most of our products are imported overseas and it's expensive too for companies, but if we can use local timber, that means we're supporting local businesses and we can help them grow.
The next bit's the exciting bit. We trial it, we let it go, we experiment, we see what markets we can create, we see what good that the machine can do. How can we help others think through in this space about innovation, productivity and technology in the private sector to help to support and to drive more jobs, more growth and more good ideas?
I think there is significant opportunity for further machines if we can make this one work really well, especially to get out into the provinces. And the Solomon Islands is going to benefit significantly from the program.
The CNC represents innovation, and in these modern times, innovation is a must. In order for small local companies like TGB to grow and adapt to the changing technologies, we have to be innovative and have such machines as CNC which can help us survive and be productive in the future.